I think that I finally found the shampoo that works the best for my hair, and I'm so excited to show you. Today is wash day, and we're gonna wash with the Garnier Fructis Hair Filler Shampoo. Whoa, it's looking rough. And here is the final product after the wash. Oh, guys, my hair smells amazing. This shampoo has worked wonders for my hair so far. I do have some damage from just straightening it and using heat on it. I feel like my hair is like a really good combination of a little bit of oily, but a little bit of dry. I'm in week 2 of using it, and so far it's been amazing. With other shampoos, when I wash my hair, I feel like the top part near my root gets really like matted is the word that comes to mind. I'm not easily able to like run my hands through it and like really massage my scalp because my hair just gets kind of all stuck together, and that's even after like brushing it before I wash it. With this shampoo, this didn't happen at all, and that was kind of one of the indicators that told me like maybe this is a really good shampoo for my hair. I love how shiny my hair looks afterwards and how it feels. It feels really like silky smooth and soft. If you're looking for a really great shampoo to try, you should definitely check out the Garnier Fructis. I'm gonna keep using it. Definitely go and check it out.